How to remove all reposts on TikTok at once. Now, if you want to remove all reposts on TikTok at once, first of all, let us discuss what the issue is. Over the time, you might have happened to repost many videos on TikTok. So when you open TikTok, you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, and then you just come to this Reposts tab, and you must have many videos that you reposted, and in order to unrepost or remove them, you want to tap on that icon, tap the share option, and tap on remove repost manually. And let's say you've got over 100, 200 or 1000 reposts and you want to delete them one after another. Now, there are some tools that does claim that they can help you remove reposts. So if you go to your Play Store and type in repost removal or anything as such right here, right off TikTok, then there will be many applications that can do that for you. But I wouldn't recommend that you use those applications, because then you'll have the chances of getting your TikTok account banned or at least limited to some degree. So you have to be very careful. Instead, what I would recommend you do is you can try to contact TikTok help support to ask them to help you remove all of those TikTok reposts at once if you wish to. So you can tap the three lines option from there, go to settings and privacy. Then you can simply try to go to report a problem, or you can go to this support tab. Under support, you can go to help center right here, and you can talk to a customer agent and let them know that you'd like to remove all of the reposts at once. Then only they should be able to help you with it. I hope this video have helped you given a definitive answer. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.